How are you, Mr. Damian? He will run away.
We have the mics. Come on.
So we have the team here. The big Santos and the big Nicky. You guys have something to say? Damian, I know that you are the main guy here.
Hey everyone, this is the first maiden get together of the next house.
The whole staff.
The whole staff. So stay tuned. It's gonna be fun.
The first one ever.
Yeah, the first one ever. We're here with the investor. We're here with the owners. So it's gonna be fun. Everyone will be sharing their experiences.
Hello, Monsieur Sylvain. That's why. You have something to say to the guys here? What do you have to say?
That's good.
That's good, yeah? That's very nice. Monsieur Sylvain, welcome. Damn, it's very hot.
Very hot house.
Very, very. That's like how many degrees? 35. That's 35, bro.
Yeah, it's 35. Hey, stay tuned. It's gonna be mind-blowing.
So guys, we're about to start the next 30 minutes. So guys, stay tuned and I'll see you later. Once we reached the marina, man, the view was insane. Yacht cruising left and right and that golden Dubai sun hitting just right. We all made our way into the yacht. I gave a quick tour inside, even though we all knew nobody was gonna stay inside. The party was on deck. Once the last few teammates arrived, that's when things turned up. The music started playing, energy went up. Marina, Jabia, the big Dubai wheel glowing on the background.
It's gonna be explosive, guys. The whole team is here. The crew is here. I just saw Faisal is here as well. Bro, I think it's about time we rock the boat, man. Let's go. Let's do it.
How are you feeling, Mr. Abu?
Yeah, I'm doing great. I'm really happy to be here.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Is this your first time to attend the Yacht? Is it?
Actually, yeah.
Oh my God. So how do you feel?
I'm feeling really cool.
Excited?
Very excited.
Let's go! Whoa!
And you're never gonna see what we found. We went looking for a new sound. And you're never gonna see what we found. And you're never gonna see.
Hey! Besalito! Niño! ¡Oh, viva la China! Hey! Yes, sir! Yeah! What you say, Ryan? Yeah! Eyes up! I see you. Salut everybody, salut mon ami, salut. Comment tu vas? This is, yeah. Anyway, yeah.
We set off into the summer night, and you're never gonna see us again. We set off into the summer night, and you're never gonna see us again. We went looking for a new sound, and you're never gonna see what we found. We went looking for a new sound, and you're never gonna see what we found.
That's when Damian took the mic and started asking the team questions.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first maiden show for the next hour. Can you say yeah? I'll see you guys, man. I want to say a very big shout out to the team. Amazing team next house. What you say next house? Yeah! All right, man. I want Michael, you need to say something and everyone here, okay? Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, that's what's up. Michelle, yalla, Michelle. Yeah, what you say, Michelle?
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So,
That's your channel. Guitar, my friend. Guitar. You know? Abu. Can you say something in French? Yeah. Abu, yeah. Abu, yeah. Say something.
wait. See, next house, wait. No, I'm okay.
Faisal.
Next house. Say shout to next house.
Shout out to next house. Faisal, can you say something? It's the next house. Can you jump in the word now? Are you serious, Faisal? There's no... Faisal,
I'm just really happy you're doing this. Thank you, bro.
Faisal, there's no insurance if I jump. If I don't...
Valentine.
Hey, B, Valentine.
Welcome to next house, everybody.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Valentine. I appreciate it.
Please, can I get Ryan on board, guys? Yeah. Everybody, can you say how to say thank you in French? Merci beaucoup. Yeah, Ryan. Yes, let's go. You can go, baby. So much so. Thank you, man. Thank you. Woo! Hey, you are quiet over there. You are very quiet. Can you say something? Yeah.
Hello, welcome to the next house. Gracias.
Thank you. Gracias.
amigo. You went to Spanish. Yeah, you look Spanish.
Okay, fine. Listen, please. I want you to do a very good outro. Can you say it in French and in English, please? Thank you.
Say in Italian.
Yeah?
Next house.
Yeah, let's go.
1,
2, 3, go!
Je t'aime next house. Can we repeat it? Like let's say je t'aime next house.
We. 1, 2, 3, go!
Je t'aime next
house! This is our first maiden show for Next House. Guys, I want you to stay locked in. You can like, subscribe. We're on Instagram. We're everywhere. So guys,
We're worldwide.
we're here to have fun, guys. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for subscribing. And we love you guys.
Subscribe and make a reservation.
Make a reservation.
Don't forget that part. This is the most important part.
Make a
You have to make a
reservation.
reservation.
Make a
In
reservation.
next house, we're in Dubai.
Where is Nikki? Where is Nikki? Angola. Say something in French.
Aujourd'hui, on fait un spécial Yacht Party. Yacht Party où on prend nos stades dans les yeux.
Impossible.
Next house, c'est la maison qui a pour le pouvoir dans les yeux.
Where is Santos? Santos. Say it in English. Yeah. You don't understand French. Say it in English.
This is next house.
This is next house.
Very grateful to work in next house.
Yeah.
Any place you hear next house, this is next house.
Thank you very much. What you say, guys? Thank you.
Next house, la meilleure compagnie à Dubaï.
Applaudissez. Merci beaucoup. Next time.
Then came the swimming part. Only 4 people actually jumped in the water. The rest of us, well, let's just say swimming is not in every African DNA.
Es que usted es tremenda cosita. No quiero mamita. Con la mimosita que quiero ser el lobo. Capelita. Dime lo que tú quieres que te sienta. No soy José, no puedo.
ended the day chilling on the boat, laughing, talking, and I asked the team how was the whole thing felt. It wasn't just a party, it was a memory.
Yeah, and that was a great one, guys. It was explosive. Just wait for the video. Thank you so much. If you're gonna watch this, we love you, man.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much.
Stay tuned, and we're gonna have more videos like this, okay?
Yes.
Have a great day, everybody.
Adios. Adios.